Hey! You're a comedian?
Yes.
Can you make comedy? And you smoke?
Of course, I'm a ganja man. That's the man. I love that.
I think most of people think that Rastafarian people are evil people.
Again, I'd say it's something that is in me.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Claudia Walks here. And on today's video guys, I'm coming live from Kajiado County. Actually, to be specific, I'm in Kitengela town. And I'm with John Wambua TV. So John Wambua TV, say hi.
Hello.
So John Wambua TV is the one who will be taking me around because I don't know this place well. So make sure you go and check him out on his YouTube channel. He goes, hi. Wasalimia kidogo. Hi. So John Wambua TV, subscribe to John Wambua TV and Niaje?
Kopoa.
Bro, mbona unakaa fiti? Hebu salimia kidogo.
Nawagotea sana.
Kwanza atoe kofia. Hebu atoe kofia uone kitu.
Hebu nione.
Oh, inakuwaje wazito?
Wow. Oh. Finally. Before even I finished the introduction, I met this Rastafarian. Hey, can I show you? Hey. Okay, are you a Rastafarian?
Yeah, I am a Rastafarian.
What do you love more about being a Rastafarian?
Being a Rastaman. I like being a Rastaman because it's all about freedom.
It's all about freedom.
Yes, freedom.
Freedom.
Yes.
Which kind of freedom do you, like you are talking about?
It's all about everything. Yeah.
And you love Jamaica because we know that most
true.
Jamaican people are Rastafarian.
True, I love Jamaica.
What makes you love Jamaica then?
There are things actually everything.
Everything about Jamaica?
Yeah.
Do you love reggae?
True, of course.
Can you sing for us one reggae song 10? Just one, your favorite.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Right now I can't remember.
You can't remember?
Yeah. Unless maybe if I'm listening on my ear. Yeah, I can.
Okay, what makes you love, like, to be specific, what do you love being a Rastafarian most apart from freedom?
You know,
Waangalishi Kiswahili pia.
Rastaman, Rastaman inamaanisha peace.
Peace.
Meaning you can go anywhere and associate with kila mtu.
Kila mtu. Associate with everyone.
Kabisa, which means akuwe ni mdogo, mtoto mdogo, mtu mkubwa. Age haimaanishi anything. We treat everyone equal.
And I think most of people think that Rastafarian people are evil people.
No.
They are bad people. When someone sees you with the Rastas.
No. That was a long time ago. That era is gone.
That era is gone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is forever forgotten.
When did you join this Rastafarianism movement?
I'd say it's been a while because nikiwa hata mdogo, I actually things that I really loved most ilikuwa ni things to do with a Rastaman.
Who motivated you to become a Rastaman?
Again, I'd say it's something that is in me.
Okay, it's something in you.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, in your family, are you the only person who is a Rastafarian or a Rastaman?
Of course.
Okay.
I am the only one.
I'm also a Rastafarian.
I like that.
Okay, do you have like a diet of a Rastafarian?
True, of course, a Rastaman is a vegetarian. I like greens.
Oh my God! Like everyone talks about being vegetarian.
Yeah, greens are favorite.
So you don't take alcohol?
Not really. I don't like it.
And you smoke?
Of course, I'm a ganja man. Rastaman. I love that.
You love that?
I like that because you know, at some point, that is according to me. You know. Well, in that situation where I'm meditating, let me say that, let me use just that term. Well, I take my weed and I'm there thinking about my own business. I would say I get a lot of ideas yeah, that grow back in my mind, and at some point I would even know my mistake, even if it's something I did long time ago. So I love the hub.
You love the hub.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, can you tell us more about Rastafarianism movement, like in general?
You know, say Rastaman, being a Rastafarian. I say that first, it's all about freedom, right? And again, being a Rastaman, okay, it's not for everyone again, but I know there are those people who doesn't have dread and they are true Rastaman.
Do you know that some
So
of people
it doesn't define being with hair. It doesn't define that you're a Rastaman or no.
do you know that some people use the Rastas for like style, fashion, and all that?
But I don't take it as for style.
So you are a
me.
true Rastafarian.
I don't take it as fashion. Okay. Actually, someone asked me that question again recently, and I appreciate that much. I would say, the way I am being a Rasta man, it did not just come from nowhere. I'd say it's something that has been in me in a way that even when like without my hairs, my head hurts. I always have a headache.
What?
So I love it the way
Okay.
because I never complain about headaches anymore.
Oh, that's amazing.
From when I decided to be a Rastaman.
Okay, what are some of the beliefs you as a Rastafarian do you believe in terms of spirituality?
In terms of
Who is your God? Do you believe in God, Christianity?
okay, you know one thing, I won't talk much about that, but I'd say there is God.
There is God, right?
Yeah, there is God. Because I've been through a lot of things, and He is the only one
He is the only
who
one.
have saved me through that.
Okay.
So I wouldn't say that there's no God. I personally, I would say there is God. Confident. With confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
But you believe in, is it Haile Selassie as your Messiah?
you know, again, Haile Selassie, I won't talk much about him, but he's the, I'd say he's the root of where the Rastaman.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, I'm sorry, I just bumped into him. My name is Claudia Walks. I have a YouTube channel which goes by the name Claudia Walks. And yes, also a YouTube channel goes by the name Johnny Wagwa TV.
Sure,
So you will check yourself there.
I know him. He's
Oh.
a good friend of mine.
He's famous.
We had made movies sometimes back with them,
Okay.
and yeah.
Oh,
I'm
that's
also an
amazing.
actor, but
You're an
I don't
actor?
really. But right now I'm just out of it for a while because.
Now I will bring you back. I'm also an actor.
Wow.
I will bring you back.
I appreciate that much.
Give us a
What
name.
I have.
Yeah.
My name's Godfrey Kuria.
God.
Are you in any social media handle? WhatsApp, Facebook?
Yeah, true. You can find me at Facebook at call me Godfrey Kuria. You can find me there. You can also find me at
TikTok?
TikTok. Godfrey 254 or Godfrey Kuria. You find me there. Or you can also find me at Instagram, IG. Same, Godfrey Kuria.
Tell us your hustle. What do you do for a living?
Actually, for now, I do carry people. I'd say
He's a rider.
I'm a rider,
Yes.
and I'm not here for long. That I'd say that again, because I'm also thinking of doing some other things.
Yes.
And maybe while I get the chance again, I'll be teaching something else.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So guys, he's Geoffrey Kuria. Make sure you follow him on his platforms, social media platforms. Let's give him support. And the good thing, I love this guy. He's a Rastafarian. And guess what? As I was here, I just discovered something. Let me show you.
What?
Jamaica, Jamaica.
Colors of a true Rastafarian, right?
True.
It's okay, thank you so much.
Wow.
We'll catch up. Let's go.
Blessings, brother.
What's that?
One love.
Aye, what's up, what's up?
Ah, the one is alive.
Okay,
What's your name? Kiswahili. To make Kiswahili, I will be here to translate for you.
My name is called Niga Gusta from TikTok. To TikTok, people know me. I am called Gusta.
Gusta.
Hivyo ndo najitango TikTok.
Oh, he's on TikTok.
I am a comedian.
You're a comedian?
Yes.
Can you make comedy? make comedy for me.
Yes,
I just want to entertain me now.
Not like now.
Not right now. Okay, I'm Claudia Walks. Pale kwa YouTube utanipata hapo.
Yeah.
Yes, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, today I'm exploring this beautiful town of Kitengela. Actually, it's my third time being here.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh,
What do you normally do here in Kitengela actually? Nini unafanyanga huku?
mimi nabebanga na pikipiki.
You are a rider, right?
Rider. Venye hata mnanionanga huko TikTok. Mimi zangu natengenezanga hapa hivi kwa pikipiki. Nikiwa tu kwa hapa kwa hustle.
Sawa basi, tuta catch up later.
Sawa.
Okay bro, thank you so much.
Okay, all right. Have a good time.
Bye. Hey,
Nawagotea sana.
look at the logs, they are long man.
True.
Patie handle.
Unabidi kunilipo, eh?
Hapo na ngapi?
Ako na 5,000.
Nice. TikTok.
Eh.
5,000.9K.
No, I'm not active on TikTok.
Let's see the handle.
You can see.
Yeah.
Watu mnaweza tazama za Gusta, ni mimi Gusta. Najionea.
Oh.
You guys follow him on TikTok.
You can follow me in TikTok.
Yes. Blessings.
Thank
Baraka.
you.
Aye.
So guys, I just want to give him my YouTube channel so that he can subscribe.
Of course.
I told you that this guy, nowadays I'm going to show you different locations. So I will be traveling and it has just started right now. Oh, tumeenda wapi? Oh. Yeah. Kasichana ndio wako karembo. Acha nikuwekee. Alright. John Wambati.
John Wambati.
Today I'm just excited, guys. The vibe I normally get on the street is the vibe I'm getting here in Kitengela town. So unaweza kumeka. Atakuonyesha, tutamuonyesha. Sawa. So guys, let's keep on going.
Let's cross. Careful.
And not that today is a market day in Kitengela town, right? So I don't know how people were reacting me vlogging on the street. So let's keep on going, guys.